Hello, Chores. Story by Danielle Monique. Hello, Chores. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
Which chore should we do first?
Comfy bed, let's make you neat. Pull up the blanket, smooth the sheet. Pick up the toys, put them back. Books on the shelf, just like that. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
Can you guess what we'll clean next?
Clothes off the floor, all in a pile. Sort the laundry, tidy style. Stack the shoes neatly in a row. Hang all clothes where they go. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
What chore should we do next?
My dear pet, it's time to eat. Fill your bowl with a yummy treat. Water the plants, watch them grow, sipping water nice and slow. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
Do you think it's time to feed the pet or wash the dishes?
Wipe the table, it sparkles bright. Not a crumb is left in sight. Washing dishes and having fun. Get them spotless, one by one. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
What should we tidy up next?
Broom slides across the floor, sweeping dirt and dust galore. Wipe the windows, now they shine, crystal clear and looking fine. Hello, Chores. I'm ready. Hello, Chores. Let's go.
Can you guess what we have left?
Grab all the bags ready for trash. Out they go and in the bin fast. Hello, Chores. We did it. It's done. My home is clean. Now it's time for fun.
If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below and share it with all your family friends with little ones. Hit the subscribe button for more Storytime read-alongs. See you soon!
Thanks for reading!